Good Monday morning, I'm Meteorologist Ted Schmidt. A lot of sunshine right now. It's going to be kind of a warm, steamy day, and we are going to see some thunderstorms, I think, in some cases coming up this afternoon, if not maybe a little bit earlier. We're going to see some dying showers make their way into our area in the next few hours. Right now, it's just about 9 o'clock, just a few minutes before 9 on this Monday morning. 77 degrees already, on our way to the upper 80s later today. A light southwest breeze here in Rochester. That's our Gwaltney Group camera from the CC Heights. Temperatures right now in the 70s, again, upper 80s will be kind of the story of the week. I think in one case, I think Wednesday is one day we had a legitimate shot hitting 90, and that's something that eluded us all weekend. We had 89 for high 2 days in a row. Did not get to 90 over the weekend officially in Rochester, and officially we didn't register any rainfall, though there were some thunderstorms around the area. But some passed through northwest Rochester, some over northeast. There was some scattered all about the map, but nothing officially at the airport. We now have a deficit this month anyway of about 3/4 of an inch of rainfall. Not a huge amount, but things are getting a little dry, a little crunchy. So a little bit of rain would be a good thing. If nothing else, it gives me a break from having to water the weather patio so much. It'd be kind of a little shower here. So if we get some of that, that'd be great. Anyway, this situation right now looking bright and warm as we look northward from downtown. 77 right now in Rochester, Charles City 79. Already low 80s in Winona and in Rushford. The dew point 68. So you calculate that with the temperature, and you get 79 for current heat index. So it feels like 79. Air pressure is rising, 29.99 inches of mercury. So a couple thunderstorms or a brief shower, possible around 10 or 11 o'clock this morning. Then we go to the afternoon, around 3:30, 4, 5 o'clock. We start seeing some scattered storms develop. You'll see those in high-res future track as you move along through the rest of the day. So we are going to see some thunderstorm chances redeveloping with plenty of sun and some heat in between. 87 the expected high, 8:55 at sunset. Watch these showers coming from the west. At one point, pretty impressive line of activity. Even the lightning is pretty much off the map, but the showers themselves much weaker than they were a few hours ago. A line of activity spreading clouds across the area. We'll maybe see a brief shower or thunderstorm out of that later this morning. Same cold front generating those storms gets a bit closer and generates chances for the next couple of days. So slight risk of severe weather pretty much everywhere from Interstate 90 and north. That'll be starting around 3 or 4 o'clock this afternoon, going until after sunset this evening. Large hail, damaging winds a concern there in the yellow counties especially. That includes Rochester, Austin, Albert Lee, and even Winona and Red Wing and Wabasha, places like that. And that goes from 3 o'clock until about 9. And may even see that go a little bit further into the overnight hours. A couple of complexes of stronger storms may develop overnight with hail and some pretty strong wind gusts. Just a marginal risk for part of the area tomorrow. A couple leftover showers may impact part of our Tuesday. Here's that dying complex of showers. Comes in for the midday. By the heart of the afternoon, plenty of sunshine. And then during the evening, some thunderstorms pop up, and then we'll see the strongest activity by late afternoon, early evening. Future track still kind of uncertain about how the timing will be on a lot of this stuff, but we're looking at the possibility there anyway, between 3 and 9, maybe 10 o'clock or so for that strongest round of storms. Intense humidity for the next 3 days, and then later this week, by the time we get to the weekend, it's not quite as humid, at least by Saturday and Sunday, at least for a few days. We'll have respite. So here we are, the showers dying for this morning, redeveloping storms the afternoon and evening, and overnight often on thunderstorms. Tomorrow, a couple storms early, then increasing sunshine. High temperatures tomorrow make their way back into the upper 80s once again. We'll see even more sun, more heat on Wednesday between storm systems. Wednesday offers the best chance, low 90s with heat index levels around 95 or 96 in the afternoon. And then another round of thunderstorms will be possible on Thursday with a cold front. And of course, behind that front, then we get that break from the really intense heat humidity for the weekend. So today, thunderstorms possible, especially late afternoon, evening. Tomorrow, some morning and early afternoon scattered storms. Then Wednesday, rain-free with just heat and humidity to talk about. So today, 87, a couple thunderstorms. One small round this morning, better chance after about maybe 4 o'clock time frame, maybe 5 this evening into the evening hours. 87 in Rochester, 89 Mason City, and 87 in Winona. So 87 the expected high, about 5 degrees above the seasonal average today. Some thunderstorms, some heat, some sunshine, southwest winds on the light side around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, 68, some scattered storms, some in the evening, and then maybe a redeveloping line or two in the overnight hours. And then tomorrow, some thunderstorms, especially morning and early afternoon, then increasing sun, a high of 86. And outlook for the weekend, some sunshine, maybe a brief shower or thunderstorm Sunday, kind of a small chance there. Aside from that, at least not quite as hot. We're talking mid-80s instead of upper 80s or 90s, and maybe not quite as humid for that weekend time frame starting Friday morning. 7-day forecast, looking at a couple thunderstorms today, tomorrow, Thursday, and a small chance on Sunday. In between, we'll have a variety of temperatures, some really hot ones and maybe some not quite as hot, but definitely all of these temperatures warmer than average and definitely very July-like. In the meantime, just be on the lookout for some of those late-day thunderstorms. A few of them may be severe, just a slight risk of that today. And in the meantime, try to stay cool. Heat index levels today around 90, and we're going to have to get used to that pretty much all week, at least through about Wednesday or Thursday. Have a great day, everybody. See you tomorrow.